Wrinkled shirt in 30 seconds? Try this.
I started with this button-up shirt that was completely wrinkled, and I wanted to see how quickly the steamer could actually smooth it out. It heats up really fast, about 30 seconds, and once it's ready, the steam is strong enough that you could see it working right away. I like that it's super simple to put together and easy to use, so there's no real learning curve. As I started steaming, you could see the wrinkles relaxing almost instantly, especially on the areas like the sleeves and around the buttons where the wrinkles usually stick. It's 1000 watts, so it's not just for light wrinkles. It actually handles tougher ones too. I've been using it on hanging clothes like this, which makes it really convenient for quick touch-ups without having to pull out an ironing board. The head swivels so it's easy to get into different angles, and it works on a variety of fabric, which is helpful when you're switching between different pieces. The water tank is detachable and gives you about 10 minutes of continuous steam, which is plenty for a few outfits, and it's compact enough that you could throw it right into a suitcase. I also like that it's dual voltage, so it works internationally, which makes it a great option for travel or even just keeping on hand at home. Overall, it's just really convenient and does a great job smoothing clothes quickly without a lot of effort. It comes with this resting plate, so if it's still hot and you want to set it down, it'll be safe to put it on the surface.
You can put it in this traveling pouch and take it with you wherever you go. This is great for quick touch-ups. This was gifted to me. Thank you to the brand for sending it.